Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I take my hair from super crunchy and shrunken to voluminous and soft yet still defined on the same day. I styled this wash and go the night before and sat under my hooded dryer. So literally all I did this morning was take my scarf down and get to work. The first part of this process is something that I adopted from the homegirl Bree. Shout out to at the B Spot Beauty, because girl, without you, I would be so lost. So the first part of this process is just to break the Gelcast. You can use whatever oil or butter you like. I love using the BK Mana butter. It's perfect for this. It's lightweight while still being moisturizing, and it adds extra shine to my hair. So all you have to do is go through in small clumps of curls, or you can go curl by curl if that's how you get down, but you just take a little bit of butter, section by section, work it through and down the strand so that the gel cast breaks without causing additional frizz. Once you've done your whole head, it's time to move on to the next phase. First, you want to grab a heat protectant because you are going to be working with your blow dryer. I like the Light by the Dew. It's perfect. It's lightweight. It adds extra shine, which I'm not mad at, and it's a great heat protectant. Once you're sufficiently covered with heat protectant, it's time to move on to that step that literally every other YouTuber does, which is to grab that blow dryer with the concentrated nozzle and start blasting your hair with gentle indirect heat to stretch those curls. Once I've done a section, I band it with 3 elastics and leave the end unbanded so that those nice little curls stay at the end. While we move through repeating this process throughout my entire head, a couple of hacks for you guys. The first hack is for anyone with damaged hair. If you see that middle section in the back and how there's some kind of poking out of that scrunchie, that's done very intentionally. Whenever I have sections of my hair that are damaged, I find that banding them just makes them straight, which is not the look that I'm going for. So if you have parts of your hair that are damaged mixed in with some healthy hair, make sure you leave those damaged sections out of the band from the part where the damage occurs. Second tip is for my naturalistas with multiple textures of hair. I love stretching and banding because it kind of gives me a better texture blend, but what I will recommend is that for the sections of your hair that tend to be looser and less shrinkage prone, I would recommend skipping the blow drying to better blend the hair, which is why I kind of get the shape that I have, because I stretch the front sections and the face framing layers without touching the back. And to finish off my look, I grabbed my TGIN Rose Water Curl Refresher just to revitalize them edges. And then I'm grabbing my one and only tried and true BK Bee Slade Edge Gel. Y'all, this stuff is literally the glue that's holding my life together. So I'm going in with my Eco Slay Edge Brush, which has been a game changer, and just finishing off my edges, and that will finish the look. And just like that, we're done. Guys, if you are a fan of heavy gels that leave that crispity, crunchity day 1, day 2 business, then trust me, this method works. You will not have to sacrifice style longevity to get touchable, soft, moving hair on day 1. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Catch you in the next one. Bye.